Let's go! Samahan niyo kami sa aming date because Conti's here in San Pablo City, which is located at Main Street Plaza. Finally opened its door. Nadagdagan na naman nga po ang makakasatisfy both of our cravings. Pagpasok pa lang ay maaamoy niyo na kaagad yung freshness ng kanilang delightful pastries and ang daming options to choose from. But first, i-experience muna natin mag-dine in, and because they are on their opening period, when you dine in and spend 1,500 pesos, you can get a free slice of their Choco Bravo, which is one of their newest product. The best way to start your meal is through their signature salad. Indeed, it's so refreshing. Chicken lolis for appetizer, why not? Especially if you've got kids with you. And of course, you will never go wrong for their chicken inasal. Perfect option even for a famshies. Plus points nga pala sa kamote chips na on the side nila. Sana one of these days, makita na natin to sa kanilang menu as their appetizer. And I guess I have nothing to say for their lasagna as Habi's reaction says it all. And nothing beats Conti's baked salmon paired with its symphony salad. Save the best for last, yung kanilang Biscoff French toast. Hindi nakakaumay, perfect if you have an afam kasi that's their type of foods. Having their fresh fruit shakes after those mouth-watering foods cleansed our palate and made sure that we are ready to indulge with their famous Mango Bravo. And of course, sabi ko naman sa inyo, get your free Choco Bravo when you dine and spend. Hanggang August 2, 2026 nga lang pala yan. Kaya naman, let's go! Shoutout nga pala sa super bait na staffs ng branch na to. So ano pang inaantay nyo? See you there!